Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and use Microsoft Authenticator on a PC in the correct way. First, it's important to know that Microsoft Authenticator is officially a mobile app and cannot be directly installed on Windows like normal software. However, you can still use it with your PC easily. The correct method is installing Microsoft Authenticator on your Android or iPhone from the Play Store or App Store. After that, when signing in on your PC, choose the option to sign in with the Authenticator app. A notification will appear on your phone to approve the login. If you want access on PC only, you can use Android emulators like BlueStacks. Install the emulator, sign in with Google, download Microsoft Authenticator, and use it the same way. This lets you manage authentication while working on your PC safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.